அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். பயாலஜி தமிழ்நாடு சேனல் சார்பாக உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறோம். இன்றைக்கி நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா, உங்களுடைய 12th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஸ்டேட் போர்டு புக்கில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பாட்டனி புக்கில் இருக்கக்கூடிய chromosomal basis of inheritance அப்படிங்கிற பாடத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒன் வேர்ட்ஸ் நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறோம். அதில் பார்ட் 4ல் நாம் சந்திக்கிறோம். இதில் ஒரு 50 ஒன் வேர்ட்ஸ் நாம் பார்க்க இருக்கிறோம். The organisms possess one or more basic sets of chromosomes are called euploidy. What are the types of euploidy? Monoploidy, diploidy and polyploidy. An organism or somatic cell has two sets of chromosomes are called diploid, 2n. Half the number of somatic chromosomes is referred as gametic chromosome number called haploid, n. Common wheat plant is a hexaploidy, 2n is equal to 6x is equal to 72 chromosomes. What is the haploid chromosome number of wheat plant? (36). An organism possesses more than two basic sets of chromosomes is called polyploid. When there is three basic sets of chromosomes in an organism is called triploidy. When there is four basic sets of chromosome, it is called as tetraploidy. When there is five basic sets of chromosomes, it is called pentaploidy. When there is six sets of chromosomes, it is called as hexaploidy. Which type of ploidy is common in plants but rarer in animals? Polyploidy. What are the two types of polyploidy? Autopolyploidy and allopolyploidy. The organism which possesses more than two haploid sets of chromosomes from the same species is called autopolyploidy. What are the two types of autopolyploidy? Autotriploids and autotetraploids. Which type of ploidy has three sets of its own genomes? Autotriploids. Which type of ploidy is produced artificially by crossing between autotetraploid and diploid? Autotriploids. Which type of ploidy is highly sterile due to defective gamete formation? Autotriploids. In which plant autotriploids are usually found and are seedless, having larger fruits than diploids? Banana. Which plant have higher sugar content than diploids and are resistant to molds? Triploid sugar. Botanical name of doob grass is Cynodon dactylon. Which plant is a natural autotriploid? Doob grass, Cynodon dactylon. List of the man-made autotriploids. Seedless watermelon, apple, sugar beet, tomato, banana. Which type of ploidy has four copies of its own genome? Autotetraploids. Which type of ploidy may be induced by doubling the chromosomes of a diploid species? Autotetraploids. Examples for autotetraploids: rye, grapes, alfalfa, groundnut, potato and coffee. Type of ploidy which possesses two or more basic sets of chromosomes derived from two different species. Allopolyploidy. Which type of ploidy can be developed by interspecific processes and fertility is restored by chromosome doubling with colchicine treatment? Allopolyploidy. Which type of ploidy is formed between closely related species only? Allopolyploids. Raphanobrassica was produced by Karpachenko, 1927, Russian geneticists. What are the plants crossed to produce Raphanobrassica? Radish, Raphanus sativus, 2n is equal to 18, and cabbage, Brassica oleracea, 2n is equal to 18. What is the expectation of the geneticists Karpachenko about Raphanus sativus? He expected the plant to exhibit root of radish and leaves like cabbage, but the result was vice versa. Name the successful first man-made cereal. Triticale. What are the types of triticale on the basis of ploidy level? Tetraploidy, hexaploidy, octoploidy. How is tetraploidy produced? Cross between diploid wheat and rye. How is hexaploidy produced? Cross between tetraploid wheat triticum durum, that is macaroni wheat, and rye. How is octoploidy wheat produced? Cross between hexaploid wheat triticum aestivum, that is bread wheat, and rye. Name the hybrid plant to express the characters of both macaroni wheat and rye. Hexaploidy triticale hybrid. Name the amino acid which is high in rye plant. Lysine. Name the alkaloid extracted from root and corms of Colchicum autumnale. Colchicine. Write the function of colchicine. When it is applied in low concentration, it induces polyploidy. Why the colchicine never creates polyploidy in Colchicum autumnale? Because Colchicum plant has anti-colchicine. Structural variations caused by addition or deletion of a part of chromosome leading to rearrangement of genes is called structural chromosomal aberration. What are the two types of structural aberration of chromosomes on the basis of changes in the number of the gene loci? Deletion or deficiency, duplication or repeat. What are the types of structural chromosomal aberration on the basis of changes in the arrangement of gene loci? Inversion translocation. Loss of a portion of chromosome is called deletion. Name the types of deletion on the basis of location of breakage on chromosome. Terminal deletion and intercalary deletion. Deletion is observed in Drosophila and maize. What are the causes of deletion? Chemicals, drugs, and radiations. The transfer of a segment of chromosome to a non-homologous chromosome is translocation. What is the difference between translocation and crossing over? Translocation occurs between non-homologous chromosomes. Crossing over occurs between homologous chromosomes. What are the three types of translocation? Simple translocation, shift translocation and reciprocal translocation. மேலும் பல தகவல்களை தெரிந்து கொள்வதற்கு பயாலஜி தமிழ்நாடு சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
பலருக்கு சேவை செஞ்ச நீயும் ஒரு ஹீரோடா. ஒரு கைப்பிடி சோறானாலும் ஷேர் செஞ்சு பாருடா.